Hi guys, it's LimeBunny2048 here, and today
You doing makeup?
I'm gonna be doing makeup. Well, my mom's gonna be doing our makeup. So yeah, let's get started. Hello.
Okay, this is gonna look, oh my gosh, I'm like really excited about this.
I'm not.
This is gonna look amazing. This is gonna look so good. Like this is like professional.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I'm scared. No. That's too dark for me.
No, it's perfect, right? I think it's just the camera makes it look darker.
Mom, you're hurting my face.
I'm not, this looks really good so far, doesn't it?
Yeah.
See?
And
It looks so good.
Yes.
Like I'm blending it really good. It looks really good. It's like totally matches you.
Mom, you're just trying to make me look orange.
I'm not trying to make you look orange. This is like your color. It is too. God.
No, that is not my color.
There, that's like really good blended. That's like really, really good, right?
No,
Yeah.
restart.
It looks really, no, it looks really good. This is like the best. Sit down.
Sit down. Come on.
Sit down. This looks amazing.
No, it does not.
Yeah, it does. Okay, stop talking. Like, you're really hurting my feelings right now because I'm like trying really hard to do this. And she's like, it looks really good. Okay. So, we just finished with the, can you put your hand down? Thanks. We just finished with the really good, application of the foundation. And what we used was this. This is the NYX or NYX Total Control.
Wait, let me see.
In color golden. Golden.
No.
And it like matches her skin like perfectly. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do concealer on her. And I think I'm gonna use, yeah, we will use this MAC concealer. And this is in NC25, Studio Fix Perfecting Stick.
And you look so much better.
It looks really good.
Me too.
And we just kind of go like this,
Okay.
and then do,
Oh yeah, the clown thing.
and then on her right here, and then like that.
Oh,
So-
I do it differently.
Oh, well then you do it wrong. Because I do it right, and you
Olivia
don't.
taught me a different way.
And then like that, and then it's, oh my gosh, beautiful.
And alright.
This looks really good.
You look way better.
Looks way better. Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Looks good. Okay, now we need to do, excuse me dear.
Good.
Now we need to do powder.
Help me.
And I don't
It's
think I have
good.
any powder that's gonna like
Good.
match that beautifulness.
Good.
So hold on, I'll be right back. I gotta go get some, okay? Yeah, like, can you sing or something? Like,
Can it, you look way.
Yeah, no.
You look way better. He's so cute.
No, shut up. No. Mom, you ruined my life. Dutchie said, "Real, get out."
Turn here. Perfect.
Dutchie, get out.
Okay, I found it. Duchess, you gotta get out. I found the powder I need.
No, I can't.
It's really gonna look really good.
I hate you.
Yeah.
This is gonna be so amazing.
You're the worst. Oh my god, that hurts. You're so mean to me. Yes, put a lot of that on my face. I need
Okay,
white.
so this is really good powder. This is like the best. And what we're using today is Equate baby powder in the Smell baby powder. And we're using hypoallergenic, and it leaves skin silky, soft, and smooth. So I figure, why not? Because this is, you know, that's, she needs to have a baby butt smooth face. This is, oh my gosh, it looks so good. It looks really good.
It smells like a baby butt. It tastes like a baby butt.
Okay. Ugh, God. I need to be a professional makeup artist. I'm really good at this.
No. Yeah.
I'm really good, right?
Yeah.
It's really
No,
good.
my neck compared to that though.
Oh yeah, here, I'll fix it. It looks really good. Okay, there. Okay,
What are you attempting to do right now?
your makeup.
Okay.
Are you trying to say it doesn't look good?
No, it looks amazing. I'm
See,
saying, are you trying to be
it's making your
professional
eyes
right
look
now?
really blue. Like it looks really good. Okay,
Yeah.
so now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do her contour.
I'm scared.
And, oh, here we go.
I'm so scared because it'll look amazing.
And this is in Hoola. This is Hoola Contour Stick by Benefit. Oh. Can you see it?
I think
Is
I
it
can
working?
see
Okay. And this is in color, I don't know, brown. Okay, so then we're gonna make like a 3 on her, like this, because that's how all the beauty gurus do it, like this. That's how they do it, like that. And then I'm just gonna go all the way around, and then they do it right, oh, no, they do it on the sides, like that. And then, but I gotta make sure to get it like a really good contour. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
I look like a cheetah.
I haven't blended it yet,
Yeah, I know.
so relax.
You look like a cheetah.
At least someone agrees with me.
Okay. Oh, it looks so good. Look at that. Beautifully contoured cheekbones. See? Oh, it looks so good.
Hannah, this should be your daily look.
No.
It looks really good, right?
Yeah.
Mine's
I
in
mean, I bet
school
she'd
like
get a
this.
boyfriend right away in school.
I know.
In 5th grade. There, looks really good. Oh. I'm gonna have to take a picture of you later just so I can do my makeup like this tomorrow for work.
It'll match you.
Yeah, well. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go to do her blush. Now,
So you want me to look pink?
no, just your cheeks. Okay, and this is from Limelife, and it's in the color pink.
Pink.
And now the key
Pink.
is that you can never wear enough pink blush, okay?
That's not the key. The key is never wear
Like
pink
that.
blush.
And you just put it right there on the apples of your
Apples?
cheeks.
My cheeks are apples?
Yeah,
Oh,
you say apples, like that.
that's an apple.
Like
That's
that.
an apple.
I
Oh,
want
really
that.
nice.
I
Oh,
want
looks
that.
so good. There you go.
Are you trying to make me look like a doll?
You are my doll. You're a doll. She's a doll.
You sound like grandma.
Hi, Dolly.
Oh, it's beautiful. Can't even handle it. Look at it. It's gorgeous. See, it's Christmas time, kind of, and you want to have that like just came in from outside look. You know, like the rosy cheeks look. It's really in these days.
Hi, guys.
Okay. Oh, and now
Hi, guys.
we're gonna do her highlight. And this is from Makeup Forever in the color Highlight. Because I don't know what color it is.
I'm washing my face after this.
Why?
Because
No. You are going out like this. You are going grocery shopping like this. And you are going to go to school like this. So you can't take a bath tonight. You have to go to school like this tomorrow.
Okay, I'm down. I'm down.
Yeah,
Me too.
of course she's down because she
Me
doesn't
too.
want to take a bath.
Mommy, too.
Yeah, you too, of course. So now we're gonna highlight her. Now the highlight will accentuate more of her features. And we just kind of highlight on top of the nose, and then her right here, her Cupid's bow, right like that. It's gonna make it look like she's got shimmers.
Shimmer me timbers.
And now we're gonna
Shimmer me
do
timbers.
right here. Oh, looks so good.
Sugar me timbers.
Oh, it's amazing.
I'm a pirate.
Okay.
Sugar me timbers.
And now we're gonna
I
do
got makeup on my hair.
her eyeshadow.
Oh, yay! I get to pick.
Yep, and you get to pick your color.
Mom, I need to sleep with my makeup on.
No, not yet. Okay, just wait. Maybe I'll think about it. You want this eyeshadow palette? I'll pick. I'm really good at this. Because I'm the professional.
I want to pick.
Okay.
Okay.
And this is the Morphe palette.
It tastes so good.
So yeah, this is the Morphe palette. And I don't know what the colors are called because I threw away the thing. But those are the colors. So, Slime Bunny, what color do you want?
Move.
Ava, can you move, hon? Thank you.
It's a surprise to you guys.
That?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I like that.
Brown?
What? No. What are you talking about? It's blue. No, blue.
Add
No.
blue in this.
Alright. Close your eyes, please.
I'm scared.
Oh, it looks so
Blue. Mom, it's not blue.
good. I know, she picked a poop color.
I don't know.
It's more fun.
I feel like it'll match my poop face.
Close your eyes, please. This looks really good.
Nick, you stink.
And then you kind of got to blow on her because there's some fallout.
They have to blow on me?
Yeah, can you close your eyes, please? Thanks.
I think you added enough.
Okay, I think that's good. This looks really good.
I want to see
Okay.
it, Mom, with this.
Okay.
Am I done yet?
Yeah, almost. And then
Send help.
the next. Why? You don't like it?
What? No, I love it.
Oh, okay.
I'm saying send help for more people to do it.
Yeah. I mean, if you guys ever need anybody to do your makeup, just comment down below. I mean, this is really good. Now we're gonna go in and we're gonna do her eyeliner in, this is from Jante Bleu, whatever, I don't know, in the color black.
Oh, eyeliner?
Yeah, just close your eyes.
scared.
I'm really good at it. And now we pretend, we don't want to put fake lashes on her, so we're gonna just draw them on. Like that. It gives the illusion of fake lashes without actually having to put fake lashes on. And now we gotta put, we'll do eyeliner on the bottom too. Okay, whatever. She didn't want to open her eyes for the eyeliner underneath, so I had to just guess how to do it. So,
I was not about to open my eyes.
what was I gonna do again? Oh yeah, mascara. And now we're gonna use mascara, and this is the Voluminous Superstar X Fiber mascara. 2-in-1, but we're not gonna prime because we don't care about having to prime lashes. Okay, you can just close your eyes. Oh, it looks really good.
I regret my decision. Okay.
Okay, so there's that. Gosh, Hannah, it makes your eyes just totally, like, they're really blue. Okay, and we're almost done. And the next thing we're gonna do, is her eyebrows. And we are going to use, let's see, what should we do for brows? You know what? We'll just use the contour stick. Because it's a really good, or should we use a darker color?
Wait. No, that looks good.
Okay. So then we're just going to go like this. And then like that. And then you really want them to look really luscious because luscious eyebrows are like all the rage these days. So we're going to make them just look a little bit more full. And we're going to go like that. And then we can just draw them together like that. It looks really good.
I know, right?
Okay, let's see. So gorgeous. Okay, now the last thing we're gonna do is her lipstick. And I think, all right. Okay. We're gonna line her lips first. Yeah, okay. And this is lip liner from Farmasi. And it's in the shade, whatever, purple. I don't know. This color.
Purple?
I can't, why is this not working?
I don't really.
Okay, let's line your lips. Okay, let me see.
You're abusing me.
Are you not? And then we want luscious lips, so we're gonna overline the lips. Looks really good. Look, it's beautiful.
Hi guys.
So that's how you get luscious lips. Is you want to overline them because it's like lip injections without the pain. It's like lip injections without the injection. So good. Okay, and then this is also from Farmasi. This is Farmasi's liquid lip stick in color 206.
They can't see.
I know, why is this not focusing? This is like getting me mad. Whatever, okay. All right. Oh yeah, it matches perfectly. It looks so good. It's like a perfect match to the liner. Oh, it's so good. There, now I'll go. And all she has to do now is blot, and she'll be good to go.
You forgot to color in some.
Oops. My bad. There. Looks really
Hi
good.
guys. Do you want to be my friend?
All right, now she can just blot. Ta-da! And that is our finished product. It looks really good, doesn't it? Comment down below what you think. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. Especially like if you love it, because it's amazing.
Mommy.
All right.
Like too.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.